What's up, guys? We're going to go over the cooperative anchor device, or CAD. It's been selling pretty well, so I figured I would do a little install video. So I've got a Team Windy bump helmet here. Got some Sordin Ear Pro with the Unity mounts on it. Thrime light mount with 100 Concepts light cap and an Arasaka light to do a little bit of umbrella. I've got a Wilcox mount and a set of mock-up PVS 31s. So for these, I'm actually running a GSRS that I've looped around the body of the binos. So for the cable install, hook that up, and I actually am going to run the carabiner to the shock cord. So instead of running it to the eye right there, I'm going to run it to the shock cord. Depending on what you've got on the helmet or where you have this mounted, you can tether some of the cable down with an extra piece of shock cord through here. It tucks up nicely out of the way. It goes down well also. Storage, just unhook your wire gated carabiner, remove that. This is our active retention or bungee. This one I will hook to the eyes that are provided. If you don't have eyes, I suggest purchasing a pack of GSRS and looping one around the body of your night vision, either PVS 14, 31s, 15s, doesn't matter. So you can see this is an active retention solution. It's got tension, but it is hooked to the eyes on there. It will snap these up a little bit. I've got it tuned a little more forward. If you want it to be a little tighter, you can just slide that back further on your helmet. And then when you want to deploy your night vision, obviously it'll add a little bit more tension to the device as well. Well, that's it, guys. This is the CAD, their cooperative anchor device from 1350 Millworks. That is the install. They come in Coyote Black and Ranger Green. You can pick the shock cord of your color, and all the cable is black. It's 90-pound rated, and it will come with a wire-gated carabiner. Appreciate it, guys. If you got any questions, let me know. Take it easy.